Season 2 Episode 11. Today's episode is Lou gets grounded on Bonfire Night Fireworks at Knowle Cricket Club in Bristol City Centre, November 4th, 2022. Hey old friend, tonight, we are going to see the Bonfire Night Fireworks at Knowle Cricket Club in Bristol City Centre, so I will expect you on your best behaviour on Guy Fawkes Night 2022.
Yes, Ox! I am very best behavior at the Bonfire Night Fireworks at the Knowle Cricket Club in Bristol City Centre 2022.
That's good old friend of mine. The fireworks is starting in 30 minutes, so let's get into the van. When they arrived at the Knowle Cricket Club to see the Bonfire Night Fireworks 2022. This is a nice place, wasn't it, Ox? You said it, Bobo. I am really understanding what they do on November 5th. That means I am really exciting here. Yeah, I agree with for you too. I really like to see the fireworks at Knowle Cricket Club 2022.
Ox?
What is it? Lou, my old friend?
When are the fireworks starting?
At 7 o'clock, which is the best time of the fireworks in the United Kingdom 2022.
I am really like to see the fireworks, Lou.
So the best thing to do is, we would like to see the fireworks on a grand pier before in Weston-super-Mare. Are you exciting, my friends?
All best.
At 7 o'clock at night, the fireworks is starting.
Look, the fireworks is starting.
Yes, it does, Lou.
Whoa, that one is loud.
It's always reminded me for self this year, November 5th, 1605. But do you remember?
How can I get that? I really understand the fireworks is green, which is my body color.
Yes. It is. We would like the fireworks if my favorite color is purple, like my hair.
I am understand. Yes, like Mandy's hair, but I'm gonna call because of keep an eye on me.
I would like to really more than ask. I like you.
And I like you, too.
Isn't it beautiful, Bobo?
Yes, it is, Wage. They are really like to see the Bonfire Night Firework display this year.
Are they fireworks are nice?
Yes, it is, Wage. We would like to be our friend for a date.
Wow. 417 years, they after so long, we would like to be our guest for some time.
Hey, Wage, give me some sugar.
That's just a silly guy.
So, you are not interested to see the Bonfire Night Fireworks anymore?
Actually, I think my mom and dad, which is take me to see the Bonfire Night Red Fireworks before.
What do you mean?
Let me show you, look at me.
Whoa, I see a red fireworks. I had never seen a red fireworks before. You said it, Lou, but I think we should get over here right now, because Ox said of the other episodes. That's right, Ugly Dog. How long until the Bonfire Night Fireworks ends? Fair enough. Lou, my old friend, why didn't like to see the fireworks?
Because I hate fireworks at Bonfire Night 2022.
Oh my god! Lou, my old friend, I can't believe you hate Bonfire Night Fireworks at the Knowle Cricket Club 2022. That's it. You are grounded until Bonfire Night Fireworks at Knowle Cricket Club 2023. Go to your room right now.
Washington. Hey.
The next episode is Lou gets grounded on Bobo's birthday at We the Curious in Bristol City Centre, which comes out on November 10th, 2022. See you soon.